what's language? You use it all the time. You should be able to define it, right? So wait, take 30 seconds, talk to each other. Say, define what language is.
Language is communication. It can be verbal, it can be written, it can be physical.
Let me grab your attention back. So, what's language? Yes?
The communication of thought.
The communication of thought. You know, I don't know about you, but I cannot read minds yet. So I need you to tell me what you're thinking, right? So they have to communicate thoughts by using language. What else? Yes?
We said it could be verbal, it can be written, and it could be physical.
So besides being verbal or written, you say it can be physical. What do you mean by that?
Body language.
So body language. So, do we communicate with body language?
Yes. You can tell if I'm happy or upset easily.
Yeah. Go ahead. You have
Some method of communication that communicates meaning.
some method of communication that communicates meaning. Okay? Other thoughts? Yes.
It's a medium of communication, sharing your ideas to others.
Okay? It's a way of sharing your ideas with others, communicating and sharing your ideas with others. Yes?
If it's comprehensible to the listener,
Yes?
it can lead to knowing and understanding.
Ooh. Let me see if I heard that correctly. So if it's comprehensible to the listener, then it can lead to understanding and knowing. Huh? What do you think of that? Deep. Yes.
Language is, of course, the way to communicate with others, but it's also how you communicate internally.
Oh, how you communicate internally?
Yeah, because how would you think about it?
Here's a question that that many times I ask myself, and I've been debating with myself a lot about this. Can you think without language? Or is language needed to think? Deep. Another deep question. Right, because it's like when you think for yourself, when you reflect, do you reflect with language or without language? Yes.
So how about visual?
Visual. So visual communication also.
Yeah.
Language is also visual. Yes.
Well, I was thinking the answer to your question,
Yeah.
sometimes if you have patients in a hospital who can't communicate at all, but studies can show that they are thinking. So you can think without communication.
Yeah. I'm not going. So I don't have an answer for that yet. But anyway, but it is. Let me see if we agree about language being a system for communicating concepts, ideas, feelings, and thoughts through sounds, gestures, signs, and marks.